After years of speculation, it's finally here. The United States has officially unveiled its 6th generation fighter jet, the F-55. The F-55 is not just an upgrade. It's a total reimagining of what a stealth fighter can be, combining the lethality of the F-22 with the versatility of the F-35 and adding next-gen tech never seen before. LT-SCN adapts to radar frequency. Changes. Infrared signature? Nearly zero. This aircraft disappears before it's even seen. Capable of reaching Mach 2.9, the F-55 can travel over 3,500 kilometers without refueling. It carries hypersonic missiles, EMP weapons, and laser-based defenses. This fighter isn't flying alone. It commands a fleet of autonomous drones, sharing targets, scanning threats, and executing strikes all in real time. The F-55 represents more than power. Its dominance through intelligence, stealth, and unmatched precision. Is this the beginning of a new air warfare doctrine?